How to fix Facebook dating not showing on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings and you will go directly to apps. And on apps, you will scroll down and you will go directly to Facebook. And on Facebook, what you should do right now, just you will go to storage, and on storage you will go to clear that, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.